Hello, this is Viva. This is Lola. It's about six, past 6 in the evening, and I'm doing the walking right now. See, just trying to walk like probably 20-30 minutes. Slow pace walking around the neighborhood. Actually, today is Tuesday. Actually, I started only last Sunday after church to prepare my body physically by doing some walking. I thought doing household chores a little bit here and there and a little walking up and down the stairs is enough, but I guess it's not. I still need to do more effort to do some walking, and so that's why I'm doing it right now. But I'm not gonna do a brisk walking, just a regular walk, like from this cul-de-sac right here, to start my body to have more energy, especially on my legs and feet. So join me doing this. I don't know when I'm going to post it for everyone to see, but this is just for me, like getting a little bit of record, see how my improvement will be. This morning I did about, I think, 20 minutes, and right now I think another 20. So see you guys. Your Lola here. It's still sunny. It's after 6, but it's still sunny, but comfortable as far as the temperature. A while ago, I see a couple of people walking. I think their daughter and mother, and I say hi to them. Normally, I really do walking, but for some reason, I stopped and I said, oh, anyway, I'm walking around the house. I thought that will be enough, but I feel that I really need a more circulation to boost my energy. That's why I'm doing this. Love. It's not that bad. See, after I reach the home, I think that's a good 20 minutes. That is to start. I was thinking of doing it at the mall because of the, hot and humid weather. But I think the weather is improving. The only thing is I have to do it, for example, during late afternoon or early evening like this. Yeah, I have all kinds of excuse. Like I said, oh, it's too hot and humid outside. I can't do it. And then I said, oh, maybe at the mall. And I see a group of ladies at the mall. Everybody is greeting them on their table. So I approached them and joke around with them if I could be included in their membership, and they laughed. No, you don't need membership, just come and join us. We are here Monday to Thursday. We stay a couple of hours, an hour walking around the mall. The mall is open from 9 o'clock, so we walk for an hour, and then we have our breakfast here at Chick-fil-A. And so I said, oh, why not? But for me, I have to travel like 17 miles. That's about 20-25 minutes back and forth, when I could actually do my physical exercise right here. So I said, maybe once or twice a week I will join them at the mall. Because what's happening is that if I'm at the mall and I see all those stores there, I'm always tempted to buy something. So I think I could go towards the end of the cul-de-sac right here. Actually, I can go home right there. The one with that's my car, the red one. Actually, I can go back, but I feel like I can manage to go a little bit more walking from here to the end of the cul-de-sac, straight ahead, and then I will come back. And it's also good, I feel like, for seniors like me, it helps on my blood circulation. In other words, since I am retired and I have all the time to myself, so I think I should be okay walking at least 30 minutes here and there. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my walking exercise, and I'll see you again. So thank you for watching. Bye.